Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore how to open a zero balance account with Emirates NBD. This is perfect for anyone looking to manage their finance without the hassle of maintaining a minimum balance. To start, you can open a zero balance account using Emirates NBD's website or mobile app. Simply select open a zero balance account and fill out the online application form with your personal details. You will need to upload your passport and Emirates ID as a part of the process. Once you have completed the form, verify your identity using the OTP sent to your mobile and email. After submitting your application, your account will be set up and your debit card will be delivered within 3 to 5 working days. Emirates NBD offers zero balance account like the family saving account, which requires no minimum income or balance to maintain. This makes it an ideal choice for individuals or families seeking flexibility in their banking. That's it. Opening a zero balance account with Emirates NBD is straightforward and convenient. Whether you are a resident or non-resident, Emirates NBD provides a seamless banking experiences. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related problem-solving videos.